So, I've been banging on about planning and infrastructure and all sorts of other good things like planning reform in more recent months. And in today's Sunday Telegraph, there is an article about how Angela Rayner is actually trying to tackle them. So well done, because she's clearly been listening to my rants. No, joking aside. But what she's actually doing and what the government are trying to achieve is only going to address half the problem. Well, what's the other half? Well, the other half is the construction industry and how that has been decimated in the recent, in probably the last 10 years. Now, what's the problem there? What's the underlying problem? Well, it's clearly skill shortages and labour shortages because we've imported 70% of our labour from Eastern European countries, and that means we haven't got the local skills, plumbers, electricians and brickies and so on and so forth in the construction industry who actually really want to work there. So if we're talking about building 1.5 million homes in the foreseeable, how are we going to do that if we haven't got the construction industry able to support us? That's without things like building control and the regulation aspects that have also put construction prices up in post-Grenfell environments, etc. So we've still got another massive hurdle to overcome, and that is plugging the issues that are actually really systemic that are in the construction industry currently. And we will need support from the government in that area, even if it's down to just simple things like incentives for training young people, apprenticeships and so on and so forth.